Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video we will see how to send a message yourself using WhatsApp application. WhatsApp are introducing this feature a couple of months ago, and how we are using and how you send yourself some of the important notes and you can access wherever you want. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration in my mobile screen. So let's start. Simply open your WhatsApp application. Inside the WhatsApp application, top of the screen, the pencil, you click here and look at this here, you contact on WhatsApp yourself. Your name is display here first position, so you just simply click here. So like you can put it here one of the notes and you just remember point of view. So I just type here, I need help regarding the speech code. Enter. Next time I forgot something and I just simply open WhatsApp. So look at this, I chat myself or I put it some of the note myself and I just open and remembering this note, I need help regarding the speech code and this task I can complete today. So you can send yourself some of the pictures also like this, and you can remember those pictures, those data, sending you and yourself. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like these tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.